Hello children. See our lesson 18. Ecosystem. Ecosystem means the interaction between living things and non-living things in a nature or in environment are called ecosystem. We have to already learn about the ecosystem in previous classes, which is the world is around us is made up with the living things and non-living things. Which are the living things? They are called biotic factor, and which are the non-living things called abiotic factor. There is continuously interaction between the living and non-living things. All environment and the living organisms are correlated with each other. The structure which is formed due to these reciprocal relationship is called an ecosystem. Means those relation between the living organism, environment, living things, non-living things, between them it are called ecosystem. Biotic and abiotic factor and their interaction form an ecosystem. See in the chart component of ecosystem. The main two factors of this ecosystem is abiotic factor and biotic factor. See the biotic factor, abiotic factors, physical and chemical. In physical, air, water, vapors, minerals, soil, sunlight are included. And in chemicals, inorganic substances and the organic substances. In this inorganic, all the non-metals are present. Non-metals means metals, non-metals, they are present in this inorganic substances like hydrogen, calcium, sodium, etc. And organic substances, protein, carbohydrates and lipids. In the biotic factors, there are the two types, autotropics and heterotropics. Autotropics means they are the producers, they are produce their food only. We know that the producers in the environment, only the plants, they can be produce their food own with the help of photosynthesis. Now heterotropic, in this heterotropic they are depend on the autotropic. In this the consumers and decomposers are included. In consumers, all animals are involved in this consumer factor. Primary consumers, secondary and tertiary consumers. We are also learn about these primary, secondary and tertiary consumers in the previous lessons. And in the decomposers, the microbes are done the very much important function of decomposers. Means which are the decay material, which are the remain things, they are decomposed by these microbes and they keep our environment clean. The structure of ecosystem, we know that every living thing are depend on a non-living thing. Each and every abiotic factor affected the biotic factors in ecosystem. means air, water, soil, sunlight, temperature, various components of abiotic factors are affected on the biotic factors, and this abiotic factor decide which biotic factor will survive in it and what will be their numbers. Means if that abiotic factor number and is decide the which factor of biotic will survive in the surrounding and what will be their numbers. See, if we are interfere the large on number in our ecosystem or in environment, there is any one environmental disaster are came and they are control the all things. Suppose the temperature of the earth increases, the ice start melting which are on the mountains, and because of that the level of the sea or oceans are increases and they are affected directly on our living things. It means a biotic factor, temperature and water, air is decide which will the biotic factors are survive in the environment. The proportion of a biotic factor in an ecosystem is always changing as biotic factor use or excretion of biotic factors. Means whatever the living things are live in the environment according to their uses and excretion of a biotic factor, on that the balance of the ecosystem are depend. Every living organism in an ecosystem plays particular role while living, moving in that ecosystem. If we know that the food chain, see, in the food chain each and every important factor, each and every factor is important. For example, see this one interaction among the factors of ecosystem. These the plants are eaten by the primary consumers, and the primary consumers are food of secondary consumers, and after the death of these secondary consumers the decomposers microbes are present in environment that decompose these secondary consumers. Means if the plants are not grow, the primary consumers are not live, then also secondary and the microbes. Means each and every factor, each and every level of this ecosystem is more important and they have their specific role in this environment. Most of the ecosystems are complex and there are tremendous quantities and qualities variety of species in them. Means not only one animal is depend on the plants. We know that there is a various animals are depend on the directly plant, and from that each and every one ecosystem is start. Means the ecosystems are having complex structure because in that ecosystem the quantity and qualitative variety of species are involved in that. Some species are few in number but some are in tremendous in number of ecosystem. There is different types of the ecosystems are present on earth. Their size, place, climates and type of plant and animal, according to that there is a types of ecosystems are depend.